Hey everybody, so I wanted to give you a quick update on the garlic that we planted just a few days ago, in case any of you had any questions on how quickly it may sprout. Before I do, I need to let Alice and the babies into the garden here with me. Okay, so we got them out in the garden. They were having a fit because I was out here and they weren't out here. So anyway, we planted the garlic just a few days ago. I think it was last Wednesday maybe that I put it in. And one of the questions that might come up is, what if my garlic sprouts really fast in the fall? And that is what has happened here. Let me just show you guys the little bed here. So, you know, this bed doesn't look like much. I've got some extra hardware cloth and a little piece of that lattice that I use for planting, just to kind of help deter rabbits from coming in and digging stuff up and getting in my straw. But if you see here, we've already got some little green sprouts coming up. Popping up out of the straw. You can maybe see the green coming out there, I hope, on the camera. I can't tell on this GoPro, so I hope it's showing up okay. And they're just little small ones. I have a few popping up here. Okay, so the question might come up if you've planted your garlic in the early fall and, you know, maybe you haven't got your first frost yet and already you're seeing sprouts come up like we are here. That is not a problem. That is actually a good thing. As those sprouts start to come up, that's going to help your garlic bulbs develop a strong root system that will give you bigger garlic cloves and more garlic, you know, come next summer when it's time to harvest. It lets them get well established before the hard winter. And especially like, so in here we've got the hard necks and the soft necks. And as I mentioned on the previous video, you know, the hard necks are more winter hardy. But with the covering of mulch and the straw that I got in here, that's going to help protect the soft necks, and hopefully, you know, we won't have too hard of a winter that would be a detriment to the soft necks, and they'll have enough protection. But either way, it's okay if your garlic sprouts early in the fall. I don't know. Oh, he's not on the video. Pip, the younger rooster, is over here having a good time getting some bugs. Anyway, so if your garlic is sprouting in the early fall, that's a good thing. It's going to get that energy from the sun and the warmth, and it's going to start developing a good strong bulb and root system, start developing those cloves early on so that it's better prepared for the winter, and you don't have to worry about that. It's not like your sprouts are going to come up and then get, you know, it's going to kill off your plants when it gets cold. That's actually a good thing. It's giving them more energy. So actually, the bigger the sprouts the bigger sprouts that you have by, say, like Christmas, the better harvest you should have come the following summer for your garlic. So just wanted to give you that update. Mine, within 5 days now, has already started to sprout on several of the bulbs, or several of the cloves that I planted. And so I'm excited about that we had those few days of, actually it was like in the low 80s. And now we had rain yesterday, and so it's dropped off, and it's kind of breezy and about high 60s out here today, but it's dropping down into the 40s at night. But it's giving it time for my garlic to get well established here and give me some good cloves for next summer. So if your garlic sprouts, then you are on the right path and you do not have to worry about it. You don't be concerned. Everything will be okay. You're going the way you should for a good garlic harvest next summer. So there's that garlic update. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Hi, Pep. please subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you again soon. Whatever you're doing in your neck of the woods, at your gardens or your homesteads, I hope everything is going fantastic. I hope you're having a great day. Namaste. Pip Pip, what are you doing? Getting lots of bugs? Ooh, sorry. He's a good rooster.